Many developers confuse optional and default parameters in TypeScript. They might look similar, but they behave completely differently when you omit an argument. Optional parameters use a question mark after the parameter name. This tells TypeScript the argument can be omitted when calling the function. If you don't pass a value, the parameter becomes undefined. Notice how calling greet with just a name leaves greeting as undefined inside the function body. Default parameters use an equals sign to assign a fallback value. When you omit the argument, TypeScript automatically uses this default value instead of undefined. Here, if you call greet with just a name, the greeting parameter gets the string hello instead of being undefined. This is the crucial distinction. Optional parameters become undefined when omitted, which means you need to handle that case in your code. Default parameters guarantee a concrete value, so you can use them immediately without null checks. This makes default parameters safer for logic that expects a real value. TypeScript enforces ordering rules too. Optional parameters must come after all required parameters. Default parameters also typically come after required ones, though technically they can appear anywhere. The best practice is to place both optional and default parameters at the end of your parameter list. Remember, optional parameters become undefined when omitted, while default parameters use their assigned fallback value. Master this difference to write cleaner TypeScript functions. Practice these concepts with Interview Mentor. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.